Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can connect your PS5 controller to your PC. Let's get started. So first things first, there are essentially two ways that you can go about this, two popular ways, and items you will need for these ways would be one, a data-ready USB-C cable, and two, a Bluetooth adapter for your PC. So the first method is by essentially pairing your PS5 controller to your PC over USB. You will need to plug your selected USB cable into an open port on your PC, plug the other end of the cable into the USB-C port on your PS5 controller, and wait for your Windows to recognize the DualSense controller as a gamepad. Now, that is the most popular way. The second way you can go about this is by pairing your PS5 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. You will need to access your PC's Bluetooth settings, and from there you will need to select add Bluetooth or other device. Once you've done that, go ahead and turn off your PS5 controller and go ahead and then hold the PS button. Once you've done that, the light bar should light up and then you should see the option available on your PC, and then go ahead and click DualSense controller from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your PC. Once you've done that, now you have essentially paired your PS5 controller to your PC. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.